You let me know. Let me know.
You gotta find the fulcrum point.
Ain't shit.
You gotta find the fulcrum. You gotta lean it just enough for an entire thread. And it pulls. That's what you gotta find. Actually, you're better in second. You're better in second. Now lean it. Hold on. You gotta put pressure on the fire. You gotta have the pressure on the fire. That's where you get the spin. And you're better in second. Better in second. You gotta like, you gotta lean it and then you gotta pull it. You gotta let it right? You gotta reach the paragraph.
I'll be approaching up. A summer in the winter, Miami in December, Florida in Dior, a New Year's. Found out how deep my pockets is. Donna, this is your reminder that I think you're fine.